Hello, good night. Um, Talking about Matzol. My name is Elizabeth Perez Horta. I am married. I am from Ipehuila. I am 39 years old. I am public accounting, studying and work. I am me on using. I am studying and UNAD. I am like in Neiva. When my husband and me son in my free time in like to share with my family also and free time like to years my family also like to visit my parents on work and like go to the mall too. Mm. Talking about mid city tour, what are your main touristic places in this city tour? Mm, the main touristic place in Neiva are monuments Casica La Gaitana, the Almohan statues, San Pedro Plaza, summertime on working in God with mi subbans and mi sub to Playa Juncal and what's par local close to the neighbor. What is the tropical food? It's youth city. The tropical food in mi city arrange tamal, quesillo, ashiras, Tiris food name, asado huilense. What are the main celebration your city too? Main celebration in my city are in San Pedro, San Pablo, festivity, they are celebrating Jihun, they are parades manis concerts, customers look the food. What activity can you do your city too? Yanmi city come go to and tomorrow go to the cinema also young come donde malecón. Thank you.